Believe me, you don't need a lot of money to make your home beautiful. Small detail can make a big difference. Hello guys, welcome back to Stanstan DIY Plus channel. Today I'm gonna show you that beautiful single floating shell I made. The good news is the material I'm gonna use is cheaper than you think, and I'm gonna go over all those details for you guys. And first I want you to see how that can be possible. One single shell, beautiful, make a big difference in your living room, and guess what, you can put it anywhere. So let's get started, and I'm gonna go in detail for you to show you step by step how to do that. So number one thing you have to do, guys, as I always said on my video, you take the measurement. So for me, I take the measurement first of the TV because I want it to be 2 inch longer. As you can see here, my TV is for 50, so I'm gonna go ahead and 50 for 2 inch longer than each side. Alright, if you want to make a shell, at least you need to get a 2x6x8 lumber. So you can go higher than that, like 2x8x8. So me, I decided to go with the 2x6. So first you need to cut it. Again, your measurement is important. So I'm gonna cut it to 54 inches, the measurement I take on my wall. And then I'm gonna use a sandpaper to clean it, to make it nice and clean, because I'm gonna use a wallpaper over the wood. So I'm gonna put a wallpaper on top of it. So you can also put like a laminate. It's up to you. Like for me, just like a really simple floating shell I'm gonna make. So I just decide to put like a wallpaper on it. It's beautiful. It's gonna be nice. You're gonna see the result, guys. So after sending it, it's all ready. So first thing you have to do, you have to go back inside to actually find where is this stud on my wall. So that's gonna happen. First you need to put like a tape, like a pen tape, that just put it over the wall. There you go. So you got your tape on now. So the second thing, using a stud detector just to see where is this. And you can keep going. So that actually gonna help you make the holes in the actual lumber, to have a better idea where your screw gonna be, so which is really important. Some people decide to find that at the end, but for me, because I'm gonna put a wallpaper over it, I wanna know exactly where my hole's gonna be. So the tape gonna tell me exactly where I should put my holes. Alright, when they tip back, you place it over the wood here, and I'm gonna use my my tape measure to actually take the measurement. And then if you don't have that, that's okay, but for me, I have the pocket jig I can just use to make the holes. Just make it easy, it's a single pocket jig, so just use like a clamp just to hold it tight and make your holes there. So after making the holes, for sure those gonna go right to the stud in your wall. So and then we give it a good clean, and then you gonna be ready to put your wallpaper over it.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
This wallpaper is sexy. It's like a gray, you know, like a camouflage gray, something like that, but it's so nice. It's really unique in my wall, so I love it. So I got a 3-inch screw I'm gonna put into the stud, so those are gonna really hold it tight. You don't really need someone to help you. Like I said, just a 54-inch lumber. It doesn't really, it's not really heavy, so all you have to do first, you have to put one screw, like try to make it tight in the wall, and then you're gonna get your level, because you have to be level. You cannot make a shell and then it's not level, because whatever you're gonna put on top of it gonna fall or gonna slide either way. So just one screw and you put your level to see if it's matched, and then you get the second one, and then the rest gonna be easy. So remember, I got 5. Alright guys, so now I got my shell all secure, 5 screw in, it's all good, really secure. It doesn't like you can't put heavy stuff on it because it's just a decor, but if you remember the last video I put about shells, I got the 3 shells. Those are really heavy stuff, so I'm gonna put this video at the description below if you wanna see that. But this is a little bit different. It's the same process, but it's kind of different. So here's the result, guys. This is really nice, and I can tell you it make a big difference in my living room. If you wanna go do a project like that, guys, go ahead. It's not gonna cost you more than $20. You can do it, and if you follow those steps, you're gonna see it's really easy. So thanks for watching. It's always a pleasure for me to create something for you guys, something beautiful, to show you that you don't need a lot of money to make your home beautiful. And that's what Stanstan DIY is here to show you we can do it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new on this platform, the most important thing is subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.